Good morning, tubers. It's what, 7:33, 34, and we're about 82 in the garage. And I didn't open the garage door yet. The sun's just coming up. Got some more parts in. These are screws for the sill plate, and this is the front spoiler hardware kit. And these are just a whole bunch of gaskets, like for the door handles and such. And those are the new door handles. And got those. I did find an interior screw kit, but it's not complete. It's for the door panels. So I put that there. These are still good. They're clean. So we'll get those going. Got something to show you. Let's grab. Oh, where is it? Hang on, guys. These are the screws for the backup light lenses, and I got them, and you put them on even with the gaskets, and the lenses would rattle back and forth. So I had to take them and run a die down them, and you can see how long it is. Sit there and cut the shaft down a little, so then the lenses wouldn't rattle. These are stainless steel screws. I was trying different stainless steel screws to alleviate the problem, and I just figured I'd do that because now they're in there and it looks good. They don't rattle or anything, so that's done. I got the side marker lights on this side. I had the other side yet to go. I found this pigtail going through my stuff, so maybe we'll go get some light bulbs for it. And let's see what else. And that's about it. Today, if FedEx follows through, we'll end up with the connector for the transmission for the neutral safety switch, and we'll do that. And get that wired up. And I got the emergency brakes I got to work on and get that done. Hope to get the door handles and the locks on. And we'll just see how far we get today with everything. I still got a wiring video I need to make for you guys, and that's still in the works, so we'll do that. That's about it. I got the new Chevy High Performance magazine, and I saw this Camaro. Let's see, page 13, I think I said it was. And I instantly thought of Roger. Look at the tires on the back of that. So Roger, is this the look you're going for? So I went to the specs on the car. This is a twin turbo. I think that's what they said, twin turbo. Then we went to the specs and wheels and tires, and that's all they said. It definitely has a mean look to it. But there's the side view. But again, Roger, is that the look you're going for? So, just curious, if you want the book or the magazine, Roger, it is, since my subscription comes early, this is December 2018. And yeah, 800 plus horsepower on a daily driven, really twin turbo 68 Camaro. So Yep, there's some smoke. So that's all I got for now. When I get more, I'll turn this back on later. Hey tubers, let's see, what do we get done? Let's see. All the side marker lights are on. Door handles are on. I think this side too. Got extra gaskets, but these are for the locks. The cylinder locks, where are they? They're right there with the keepers. So I rekeyed the whole car. So those will go on today. But right now, these are for the front running lights, and we're getting ready to do some wiring. This guy right here is for the running light on this side, so getting ready to do this. So when I get more, I'll turn this back on later. Hey tubers, well, let's see what we got done. Let's see, the wiring for the neutral safety switch, as you can see, is right down there. Still waiting for FedEx to come and do the connector. The emergency brake is adjusted and works. Here's the problem we're coming into now. Alright, turn on the headlight and we'll hit the bright lights and we get the blue light. Turn it off, we get that. Okay. Side marker lights are on. So here's to show you that the test light, this is a positive K right there. So it shows you that the test light's hooked up. This lead right here is the parking lights for the front. And remember, they're on. And nothing, one bit. So it's brown wire. So if we take a look, see the red wire right down there? So if we jab that, we see that we get power. Okay. Here's a brown wire, nothing. There's another brown wire, nothing. Try this wire, nothing. Try the purple, no, nothing. Try that one. And nothing. So the back of my fuse panel's dead. So, but yet I get headlights. Okay, high and low beams. But yet I don't get parking lights. And everything else for the fan and the relay and everything else has worked. So I don't know, I'm stumped. Oops, let's back it up. So I'm stumped. And it's going on 3 o'clock. And that's about time I should quit anyway. I don't know, I'll have to give my son a call. He and I, the ones that wired this thing. And see what he has to say. But I'm stumped. I am stumped. Let's disconnect the battery. So someone would say maybe the connection to the headlight switch. Well, that wouldn't cause it, because the headlight switch would be, we wouldn't get the back parking lights or the back side marker lights. So I checked all the fuses. You know, one thing I didn't check, and I think I'll check that now. Hold on, I'll be right back. I just wanted to check the dome light and see if that circuit was good, and it is. So I don't know. I'll have to sit down and think about this, because it definitely has me stumped. And probably spend a long time on the phone with my son tonight in Texas. So that's all I got for now. I wish I would have done more. I wish that FedEx guy would have showed up. Anything under here? Nope. Wish he would have showed up. Could have used that and got the neutrals, done the neutral safety switch. But the emergency brake is done, so that's good. Neutral safety switch, and it could come down off of jack stands. I might want to leave it up there and chase this wiring down. I surely hope I don't have to pull this fuse or the fuse block out, because that means the hood, this fender, the hood, and the hood hinge has to all come off to get into there, and maybe the inner wheelhouse, but I don't know. But everything else works there. I don't know. Well, when we get the neutral safety switch, we'll wire that up, get it in, make sure, test it, make sure it works. We'll fire this thing up. It hasn't been fired up in a while. Warm it up, and then we'll probe the back of the fuse panel and see what we got. So that's all I got for today. When I get more, I'll turn it back on. The bench is clear of parts, which is a good thing, except for the locks and the gaskets for the locks. So we can pop those in at any time and check those out. So that's all I got for now. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments. And we'll be back. I don't know what we're going to be back on. I got the neutral safety switch to wire in. We got to figure out what the parking light situation and why it's up there on the front. And other than that, that's about it. So that's all for now. You guys have a good one. Later.